Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into a refreshing topic that's delicious and packed with health benefits: lemon water. You might have heard about this zesty drink's buzz, but what makes it unique? Lemon water is simply the juice of fresh lemons mixed with water, and it's gaining popularity for good reason. This tangy beverage is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that can help alleviate various health issues. Lemon water has been linked to various potential health benefits, from boosting your immune system to aiding digestion. It may help reduce the risk of kidney stones, improve skin quality, and even support weight loss efforts. Its alkalizing properties can help balance your body's pH levels, which is crucial for overall health. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. In this video, we'll explore 20 incredible health benefits of lemon water that you might not know about. Whether you want to enhance your hydration routine or add flavor to your day, lemon water could be the perfect addition. So, grab a glass and join us as we uncover the fantastic ways this simple drink can transform your health and well-being. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. What diseases does lemon water cure? Lemon water is more than just a refreshing drink. It may offer potential relief for various diseases and conditions. One of the most notable benefits is its ability to aid digestive issues. The citric acid in lemons can enhance the production of stomach acid, which helps break down food more effectively. This can alleviate symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Some studies suggest lemon water helps prevent constipation by promoting regular bowel movements. Regarding skin problems, lemon water is often praised for its high vitamin C content, essential for collagen production. This can lead to healthier, more radiant skin. Anecdotal evidence suggests that regular consumption of lemon water may help reduce acne and improve overall skin texture. Additionally, its antioxidant properties can combat free radicals, potentially decreasing signs of aging. Lemon water may also provide relief for respiratory conditions. Lemon's vitamin C and anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe sore throats and reduce congestion. Some studies indicate that the antioxidants in lemons may support respiratory health by combating oxidative stress. While lemon water is not a cure-all, it can benefit your wellness routine. As a natural remedy, it's worth considering for those looking to improve digestion, enhance skin health, or support respiratory function. So why not try it and see how this simple drink can benefit your health? 20 health benefits of lemon water. Lemon water is a powerhouse of health benefits that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Let's explore some of the top advantages of this refreshing drink. 1. Hydration. Starting your day with lemon water can kickstart your hydration, helping you feel more energized and alert. 2. Vitamin C intake. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps fight off colds. 3. Improved digestion. The citric acid in lemon water aids digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort after meals. 4. Detoxification. Lemon water is a natural detoxifier, helping flush out toxins from your body. 5. Skin health. Lemon water's antioxidants can improve skin quality, reduce acne, and promote a youthful glow. 6. Weight management. Drinking lemon water can help curb cravings and promote a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight loss. 7. Mood enhancement. The scent of lemon has been shown to improve mood and reduce stress, making lemon water an excellent choice for mental well-being. 8. Fresh breath. Lemon water can help combat bad breath by killing bacteria in the mouth. 9. Kidney stone prevention. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing urine volume. 10. Heart health. The potassium in lemons can help regulate blood pressure and support heart health. 11. Anti-inflammatory properties. Lemon water can reduce inflammation, potentially alleviating chronic pain. 12. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Consuming lemon water with meals can improve the absorption of nutrients. 13. Alkalizing effect. Although acidic, lemon water alkalizes the body, promoting a balanced pH. 14. Energy boost. The natural sugars in lemons provide a quick energy boost without the crash. 15. Hair health. Rinsing your hair with lemon water can enhance shine and reduce dandruff. 16. Blood sugar control. Lemon water may help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes. 17. Improved circulation. The vitamin C in lemons can enhance blood circulation, promoting overall cardiovascular health. 18. Anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in lemons may have anti-cancer effects. 19. Joint health. Lemon water can help reduce joint pain and stiffness due to its anti-inflammatory properties. 20. Enhanced focus. The refreshing taste and aroma of lemon can help improve concentration and mental clarity. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. So, why not start today? Uses and cautions. Lemon water is a versatile drink that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine in various ways. One of the simplest methods is to start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your body after a night's sleep. You can add lemon slices to your water bottle for a refreshing twist throughout the day. For those who enjoy cooking, lemon water can be used as a base for salad dressings or marinades, enhancing flavor while providing health benefits. However, while lemon water offers numerous advantages, it's essential to be aware of some cautions. One significant concern is the potential for tooth enamel erosion. The citric acid in lemons can weaken enamel over time, leading to increased sensitivity and cavities. To mitigate this risk, consider drinking lemon water through a straw and rinsing your mouth with plain water afterward. Moderation is vital when it comes to lemon water consumption. While it can be beneficial, excessive intake may lead to digestive discomfort or heartburn in some individuals. It's always a good idea to listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. If you have specific health conditions or concerns, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making lemon water a regular part of your routine. By being mindful of these cautions, you can enjoy the refreshing benefits of lemon water while safeguarding your health. Lemon water myths busted. What you need to know. Lemon water has gained a reputation as a miracle drink, but not all claims about its benefits hold up under scrutiny. One common myth is that lemon water alone can lead to significant weight loss. While it can be a helpful addition to a balanced diet due to its low calorie count and ability to promote hydration, it's essential to understand that no single food or drink can magically melt away pounds. Sustainable weight loss requires a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes. Another misconception is that lemon water is a powerful detox agent. While lemons contain antioxidants and can support liver function, the body is naturally equipped to detoxify through organs like the liver and kidneys. Lemon water can aid in hydration, which is essential for these processes, but it should not be considered a substitute for a healthy or detox diet. Evidence-based information shows that lemon water can contribute to overall health but is not a cure-all. Studies indicate that the benefits of lemon water are often linked to its hydration properties and vitamin C content rather than any magical detoxifying effects. By debunking these myths, we can appreciate lemon water for what it truly is: a refreshing, nutritious beverage that can complement a healthy lifestyle rather than a standalone solution for weight loss or detoxification. 13 fatal mistakes when using lemon water that you need to avoid. While lemon water can be a healthy addition to your routine, several common mistakes can undermine its benefits. One major mistake is using too much lemon juice. Overdoing it can lead to excessive acidity, which may cause stomach discomfort or heartburn. A good rule of thumb is to use the juice of half a lemon in a glass of water. Another critical mistake is paying attention to dental care. The citric acid in lemons can erode tooth enamel over time, leading to increased sensitivity and cavities. To protect your teeth, consider drinking lemon water through a straw and rinsing your mouth with plain water afterward. Another pitfall is failing to balance lemon water with a healthy diet. Relying solely on lemon water for health benefits can lead to nutritional deficiencies. For optimal health, it's essential to incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole foods into your diet. Additionally, some people need to avoid consuming lemon water at the wrong times. Drinking it on an empty stomach can be harsh for some individuals, so it's best to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. To avoid these pitfalls, start with moderate amounts of lemon juice, prioritize dental hygiene, and maintain a balanced diet. By being mindful of these common mistakes, you can enjoy the benefits of lemon water without compromising your health. Warning: discover the surprising effects of lemon water on your body. Lemon water is often celebrated for its health benefits, but it can also have surprising effects on your body that you might not expect. On the positive side, lemon water can boost your metabolism. The citric acid in lemons may help enhance your metabolic rate, making it easier for your body to burn calories. Additionally, staying hydrated with lemon water can improve your overall hydration levels, crucial for maintaining energy and focus throughout the day. However, there are also potential adverse effects to consider. For some individuals, the acidity of lemon water can lead to digestive discomfort or exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. If you notice any discomfort after consuming lemon water, reduce the amount of lemon juice you use or dilute it further with water. Interestingly, lemon water can also impact your mood and energy levels. The refreshing taste and aroma of lemons can uplift your spirits and provide a quick energy boost, making it a great alternative to sugary drinks. However, if consumed excessively, the acidity might lead to fatigue or irritability in some people. Paying attention to how your body reacts to lemon water is essential. Everyone's tolerance levels differ, and what works for one person may not work for another. By being mindful of your body's responses, you can enjoy the benefits of lemon water while avoiding any unwanted side effects. We discussed how lemon water can enhance hydration, boost vitamin C intake, and improve digestion, making it a refreshing addition to your daily routine. Additionally, we highlighted some lesser-known benefits, such as mood enhancement and detoxification, which can contribute to your overall well-being. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential downsides, such as tooth enamel erosion and digestive discomfort if consumed excessively. You can enjoy its benefits by using lemon water in moderation and practicing good dental hygiene while minimizing risks. Consider incorporating lemon water into your daily habits, whether starting your morning with a warm glass or adding it to your meals for extra flavor. Everyone's body reacts differently, so pay attention to how you feel and adjust accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these health tips. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content that can enhance your health journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.